Luscombe Suzuki are proud to present the Suzuki Ignis 1.2 Dualjet SZT. This vehicle has full service history, one owner from new, and only 20,000 miles with 2 keys. I will now walk you around the car just to give you a quick insight to the specification and the condition. Starting at the front, we have the fog lights with the daytime running lights and signature chrome and honeycomb style grille. Down the side we've got the grey alloy wheels, which are 15-inch. Decal kit to match the rear view mirrors with the wind deflectors and the privacy glass on 3 sides. As you can see, the roof spoiler sets off the car very well. I've been around the car and inspected all the condition, and I'm glad to say there are no dents, blemishes or scratches. I will now give you a quick insight to the interior of the vehicle. We have electric folding mirrors with a multifunction steering wheel. The steering wheel consists of Bluetooth and media functions. Onto the infotainment system, we have the DAB multimedia system, which consists of smartphone mirror linking as well as an activatable satellite navigation with an additional purchasable chip. Down onto the climate control, we have the aircon with front and rear heated screen, AUX and USB points with a 12-volt charging socket, and good storage points all around the vehicle. Genuine Ignis carpet mats with a height adjustable driver's seat, which allows maximum comfort but also maximum leg room in the front and the rear of the vehicle, allowing for adults. The rear seats have Isofix on, as you can see, and is a 50-50 split sliding system. The vehicle will come with a 12-month MOT and a full service. If you haven't already, please feel free to have a look at our reviews. Thank you for watching.